Matt for AVNation.tv. We are here at CEDIA Expo 2018 in lovely San Diego, California. We are with LumaStream. How are you, sir?
I'm very good, thank you.
Let's talk for people who do not know about LumaStream.
Sure.
Let's talk about what LumaStream is and how you're different.
Sure. The lighting industry has been the same for 130 years, basically built on a high voltage infrastructure. And LEDs came along as a low voltage DC product, and the realization that made no sense, and that you're putting a low voltage DC product on a high voltage AC infrastructure requires lots of electronics in a bulb or fixture. So it was based on simple logic. Why don't we create the equivalent of a stereo amp with speakers? Instead, we have a driver transformer with lights. Light and sound is dispersed in space in a very similar fashion. So about 12 years ago, we started to do a lot of R&D on this and build a complete low voltage class 2 system that allows us to get all of the electronics out of a fixture except the LED array, resulting in a fixture that does not fail. There's nothing to fail. It maintains the light quality over time because we've removed all the heat out of there, so the LED arrays are not stressed. We've removed all the fire risk in the system because we're using 18.2 or 16.2 shielded wire. So there's no fire risk. We've removed all that, and that heavy copper goes away, and all the labor associated putting that, all the conduit, empty cable, Romex, all that disappears. No junction boxes or anything. This is architected specifically to expand the revenue opportunity for AV integrators in the market.
When we start looking at system design, everyone knows how to normally do if they're playing in the lighting space, they know how to do normal lighting plots.
Right.
This kind of changes because we're not doing elevations for electricians and plots for electricians.
Correct.
Is the principle and the applications all still the same?
Well, the difference is you're measuring lumen levels in a space. It has to have proper lumen levels and layered light, things like that. We don't assume most AV integrators have not done lighting at all, except maybe theatrical. So we offer design services. Okay. So you send us our plan, the AV dealers send plans to us, we create a lighting design and a quote package, and we provide it to them at no cost.
Really?
Unless they win the project.
Got it.
So depending on how complex and fancy the designs are, 2 to 5% by the project, they're passing it on to their customers. So there's no risk up front, out of pocket, for the dealers to bring a project to us.
Now, one of the biggest things that we're starting to see, or continuing to see with LED, is obviously warm dimmings, color shifting.
Right.
I'm assuming that this product can do all of that.
Yes, we've eliminated color shift problem in the individual fixtures. Because traditionally, the claims of longevity of an LED bulb or fixture are very long. They never reach their longevity. They flicker. The heat stresses the color quality, which means if one goes out and another one's in, it has a different binning.
Right.
Now behind me, you're seeing different color temperatures. So we have actually have a collaboration with Vantage in terms of what's called HumanCentric Lighting. Yep. Personally, I think it's the most exciting thing that's ever happened in the lighting industry because we can emulate the sun. We evolved outside with the suns as human beings until 130 years ago. So naturally, it's logically, we respond to the different color temperatures of light throughout a day. Right. In the morning, it gets very cool, you wake up, and as toward the day goes on, it gets very warm. So it's called human-centric lighting that matches what's called the circadian rhythms of human beings throughout the day. So with Vantage, we have created a lighting product that will track the sun throughout the day. So you can imagine if somebody's in an assisted care living facility or a hospital where they don't get outdoors very much at all, if they have super high quality light that emulates the sun, it has a profound difference on mood, productivity, purchasing behavior, just the overall health and human welfare. Right. The other thing is during, after lunch, when employees are getting a little tired, you can get the light a lot cooler. They wake up more energetic, and then toward the end of the day, you get back into your circadian rhythm with the warmer light. Right. Really exciting.
Now, is this something that can be essentially done right out of the box, or is this something that requires full programming?
Well, you need a control system to do this.
Okay.
Okay. So we've launched with Vantage, and we'll be working with others over time. But yes, it's part of a intelligent home control system, and it's programmed to match whatever cycles you want, different scenes you want.
Okay.
So it's very exciting.
Excellent.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
If people want to find out more information about LumaStream, where can they go and do that?
That would be www.lumastream.com. LumaStream.
Excellent. Thanks again.
Thank you. We appreciate the award.
For more coverage from the show floor and to learn more about AVNation, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.